Let's also get you all the latest updates on the COVID surge in Maharashtra. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has promised action against his minister Sanjay Rathod, who violated COVID norms. During a meeting to review the COVID spike in the state, Thackeray directed the Chief Secretary to ask the Washim collector and the District Superintendent of Police to submit a report on this matter. He added that the rules will be the same for everyone, whether it's an ordinary citizen or a Shiv Sena minister. Sena Minister Rathod was spotted violating all COVID norms as he, along with the supporters, visited the Pora Devi temple in Maharashtra's Washim in a show of strength after being named in a suicide case of a TikTok star, Pooja Chavan. Maharashtra has reported 6,218 new cases, 51 deaths on Tuesday, and has 54,306 active cases. Uddhav Thackeray also appealed to politicians to follow all COVID norms.
पण उद्याच्या कार्यक्रमानंतर मी सर्वच राजकीय पक्षांना विनंती करतो आहे की आता कृपा करून आपल्यापासून आपण सुरुवात करूया. एक तर हे शासकीय कार्यक्रम पुन्हा एकदा मी आपल्या ह्या झूमच्या पद्धतीने सुरू करायला सगळ्यांना सांगतो आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे अगदी उद्यापासून सर्व राजकीय, धार्मिक आणि सामाजिक मिरवणुका, मोर्चे, आंदोलन म्हटल्यानंतर तशी आंदोलन आहे पण गर्दी करणारी आंदोलन आणि मोठ्या काही यात्रा याला पुन्हा एकदा राज्यात काही दिवसांसाठी आपण बंदी करत आहोत. कृपा करून सगळ्यांनी याची नोंद घ्यावी आणि सगळ्यांनी सहकार्य करावे.
There's been a steady surge in COVID cases in the last 1 week in Maharashtra, and that's why the state government is taking all efforts to ensure that the situation doesn't worsen in the state. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray chaired a meeting with the BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal as well as all members of the Mahavikas Aghadi Alliance to review the situation.
Raids on clubs and marriage halls. Marshals on local train network. Hefty fines on mask violators. Lockdown in 5 districts. Maharashtra government has swung into action after the sudden spike in COVID-19 infections. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray chaired a meeting with senior officials, including BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal on Tuesday. The state has witnessed a steady spike in cases over the last few days. It has 54,306 active cases, that is 37% of the country's caseload. The state reported 6,218 new cases and 51 deaths on Tuesday. The central government is rushing teams to the state to review the fight against COVID-19. The Health Ministry says new strains of the virus, however, are not behind the spike in cases.
N440K and E8484K variants are there, but there is no reason today for us to believe, on the basis of scientific information, that these are responsible for the upsurge of the outbreak that you see in some districts of Maharashtra.
Maharashtra has been the epicenter of the pandemic in India right from the beginning. Almost 60% of the state's ministers have been infected by the virus at some stage. The latest to test positive is Food and Civil Supplies Minister Chhagan Bhujbal. 5 ministers tested positive in the last week. The surge, however, did not stop a member of Team Uddhav from holding a show of strength.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.